Okay, let's talk about the gallery. How can we add a new gallery to the gallery page? First thing we want to do is come to the back end. We actually want to create a page that the gallery is going to show on. So if I click our pets, this forwards to a page that has all the thumbnails on it that we can actually view. Okay, so the first thing is, let's go ahead and set up a new page for that. I'm going to go ahead and start and call this page, I guess, Gallery Test for the purpose of this particular video. So Gallery Test. Go ahead and publish this. Okay, next thing we want to do is actually create the gallery, the thumbnail and the gallery. So to do that, we come down to Gallery, click Add Gallery. Once this section loads up, what we want to do is add a new gallery. So we're giving it the name, such as if we're coming back here, our pets or our store or whatever the case may be. So again, I'm going to call this one Gallery, how about Demo? Go ahead and click Add Gallery. Now we're ready to add images. So we simply browse the computer. I'm going to go ahead and just grab a couple images from a default folder of mine. I'm going to go ahead and just grab a couple here, all in one shot. Go ahead and click Open. And then once you've done that, once you've added your image or images, go ahead and choose the gallery you're uploading these images to. So for this particular demo, we're doing Gallery Demo Gallery. Click Upload Images. It's going to upload the images, and once that's done, it's going to create the thumbnails for it. So we got to give it a second to do all this. Okay, we should be all set. So the verify, let's come back to Manage Gallery under the Gallery section and make sure this new gallery has been added. And we'll see Gallery Demo. Okay, really important thing is right here, ID, see 13, that's the gallery ID. Remember that the next section when I get to it, Gallery ID 13. But for now, I'm going to click Gallery Demo, make sure all my images are added. Go ahead and delete out this extra text, we really don't need this. Okay, you can also change the preview image, and that's the very first thumbnail you see. So here we have these two. So after you do your upload, you can actually choose from the drop down which image you want to show up there first. Okay, next thing we want to do is page the link to. And if you remember, we created the first page in the first step, and we called that page, I think, Test Gallery. Or excuse me, Gallery Test, excuse me. So Gallery Test, we'll go ahead and click that. Let's click Save. Okay, so what we want to do now is go back to the page we created, the gallery test page, and we need to tell it to display the gallery we created, which, if you remember, I said was Gallery 13. So here's a little bit of short code. It's always going to be the same. You can get this from the existing pages, but it's always going to be the same short code. So what we want to do is change out the 7 to the 13, which is the ID number, if you remember. Let's go ahead and update that. Now what we want to do is get the thumbnail on this page, on the gallery page. Let's come back to the gallery. Let's go ahead and click Album. Okay, and what we want to do is come over to Manage Albums, choose the main gallery. It's the only one in the list. And what you'll see now is the two that are already there, Our Pets and Our Store. We now need to add the one that we just created, which is Gallery Demo. Let's drag this over, drop it in place, go ahead and click Update. And if we come back to the front end and refresh, we should see this gallery here. Yep, there it is. Go ahead and click it. Make sure the page is loading up with the images, and there we are. Okay, as well, we're using the gallery for the closet section. So for under About Us, the closet, we have a rotator, a section of images that are changing in and out, which we see right here on the right side. This is actually controlled through the image gallery as well. So you'll see that right in here, the closet. So if we come down to Manage Gallery and we choose the closet, we'll see all the images that are in there. So we can easily come in here and delete and add to this section. So to do so, we would do what we did before, which was add gallery / images. We would upload images, and then we would just choose the closet gallery, and it's going to automatically load images into this section right here. Okay, that should do it.